Hey everyone, and welcome to TopIdeaSage. Today, we're going to learn about the 16 laws of psychological power. Now let's begin. Number 1. Stand above. Good work goes unrecognized if you want to gain power. A good work ethic is not enough. Putting in long hours can easily be overlooked by the people who find power and success. The people who work hard and get recognized stand out from the rest. Your work can be overshadowed and forgotten if you don't stand out. Take every opportunity to lead and prove yourself to achieve your goals ahead of others. Number 2. Hide your intentions. Imagine you're buying a new car at the dealership. A car salesman shows you a model that you absolutely love, and you tell the salesman how eager you are to own this car. The salesman knows your intentions, so he raises the price. It's important to hide your intentions to maintain power in the conversation. Act like you don't care, and you'll have the power to negotiate a better price. Give someone just enough details to stay interested, but keep your true intentions to yourself. Number 3. Actions over arguments. Arguing may feel satisfying, but it achieves almost nothing. To gain psychological power, focus on your actions. Your behavior and actions will win over more people than a good argument ever will. Number 4. Mind your words. The more you speak, the less valuable your speech becomes. Speak only when necessary to increase the power of your words. People will learn to listen to you and take you seriously when you speak less. Be mindful of what you say to avoid making mistakes and ensure that every word is intentional and purposeful. Number 5. Cultivate confidence. Your path will have obstacles, failures, and setbacks. Cultivate confidence in yourself and let your small successes empower your self-worth. Let each victory give you the courage to overcome your next obstacle. Confidence in yourself is essential for psychological power. Number 6. Hire your enemies. Friends can be dangerous on your path to success. Instead of trusting friends who may betray you, hire people you don't necessarily like but trust. Hiring someone you don't trust gives you clear-headed objectivity, and your enemies may show more loyalty since they have something to prove. Number 7. People are selfish. Don't expect people to be selfless when you need a favor. People are more likely to help when they have something to gain. Appeal to their self-interest and explain how helping you will solve their problem. Make sure they know exactly how they'll benefit in the future. Number 8. Avoid commitment. Avoid unnecessary promises and commitments. Commitments can trap you and limit your options. Stay open to multiple perspectives and angles, so you can make the most out of every situation. Commit only to yourself and stay on top. Number 9. Play yourself down. If you want to win people over, make them feel smart. Sometimes that means playing dumb, but it doesn't mean you have anything to prove. Most people don't care how intelligent you are, they care about their own ideas. Give them confidence in their own ideas and make them feel smart. Number 10. Support your superiors. Respect the people above you and support your superiors. They can be stepping stones on your road to success, so don't try to outshine them. Be their right-hand person, not their rival. When opportunities arise, your superiors will recognize and recommend their allies. Number 11, stay concentrated on your strengths. Instead of jumping from skill to skill, concentrate on one strength. Specializing in one area sets you apart and increases your chances of success. Concentrate on one direction, project, or purpose, and invest yourself wholly in that direction. Number 12, effortless achievement. When you finish a huge project, play down your achievements. Make each accomplishment seem easy and natural. People will believe you even if you invested countless hours into your work. Show confidence and collectiveness rather than emphasizing the effort you put in. Number 13, the giant shadow. If you have to fill the shoes of a legend, it can be a big challenge. Instead of trying to fill those shoes, be the person who brings your team back from failure. Fill the void left by someone who failed, and your success will shine even brighter. Number 14, set anger aside. Losing your temper is destructive and makes you impulsive, narrow-minded, and selfish. Instead of getting angry, grow distant and ambivalent. Ignoring someone steals their power and forces them to seek your attention. Keep your frustrations to yourself, stay calm, and remain objective whenever possible. Number 15, the calm rush. Master timing and time management. Pack incredible amounts of work into your schedule without appearing rushed or stressed. Stay cool, calm, and collected. Rushing creates anxiety and hurts your reputation, so stay in control of your time. Number 16, calculated value. Sometimes, it's worth spending money when it counts. Certain things are worth paying for, even if it's just for a name or title. Be cost-effective in your personal life, but don't cut corners when it comes to climbing the ladder of success. Thank you for watching Top Idea Sage, and be sure to subscribe for more incredible content coming your way.